Oh, it's hot, yeah? Today, Susan and I are in a very new location for both of us. We have never been to this area. So this is the old town of Bangkok, and this is actually very close to the Crown Palace. So right now we are about to have our lunch. We are just next to the Chao Phraya River, and this restaurant seems to be very modern, and also they offer a range of Europeans and Thai food. Actually, I already had my lunch, so it's only Susan who's gonna have lunch. Chef already ordered beef burger and onion rings, and I hope she'll like it. It's actually right now it's already 12, so normally in Bangkok this time it's very hot, but you can see it's kind of very cloudy, so we are sitting outside. How is the food, Susan?
It's really good. We
Well-
never go to nice restaurants,
Or maybe you're super hungry.
but the flavor is good too.
Good. Susan is super hungry, so she is like not even talking, but she's just munching. It's about to rain, so probably we have to move inside.
I don't know what we're gonna do if it rains.
We'll run inside.
Well, but I mean, we don't want to get stuck here, you know?
Okay, here comes the burger. Thank you. Susan, just imagine everything this is going into your belly.
No problem. Can you help me, Jihan?
Yeah?
Oh, shoot.
Oh. Let's go inside. Okay. It's raining. Okay, yes. This side. Come. Oh, it's raining. Dang. All of a sudden it's raining. Crazy. Smart. So they're just blocking the water so that it doesn't come onto the floor, doesn't get wet. Literally in 30 seconds the rain started pouring, and here is the hero who come and save us. We never know when it will rain in Bangkok, but when it rains, it's very, very nasty. It can get very heavy, and then the city just get flood. Susan is not even blinking her eyes. She is just eating.
Can I have a napkin, please?
at your service, madam.
Yesterday, when I was looking for places to visit in Bangkok that we've never been, I just started looking on Google Maps. I thought I better look for some places to eat lunch. So I found two places. I found a Burmese curry shop, and we went there at the beginning, but they didn't have what I wanted, and it was really stuffy, and they weren't interested in having customers, so we left. And so we came to this other place, Coco Chao Phraya. It's right on the river. So we were eating outside. The manager came over and said, hey, if it rains, where do you want to sit? So they were already thinking it's going to rain and trying to plan ahead, which was impressive. So I didn't really think that it would rain yet. And then all of a sudden there's just massive drops on the floor. So we had to quickly come inside. And now we're just watching the rain from inside because this room is all windows, and it's really calming and refreshing to watch the rain.
The rain haven't stopped yet, but we are leaving because we just want to move around, and also it's not that heavy as it was before. It's still raining. We are stuck outside, so we are just sitting on the pavement to let the rainfall stop.
It's almost done. The sky is becoming blue again. So pretty when it rains, yeah? So fresh.
I think cities are normally pretty when it rains, except the village. The rain has stopped a little bit, so we thought of like just moving around because we have been in that cafe for more than 2 hours. Okay, so we need to do registration. So this is the name of the park, is Santi Chai Prakan Park. Santi Chai Prakan Park, it opens from 5 a.m. until 9 p.m. So if you guys want to come here, that's the time. Okay, and here, this is part of the old wall. So these are kind of the original wall. So we can see how thick it is. This is kind of about 2 meters wide. And this is the fort.
Phra Sumen Fort was built in the reign of King Rama I. Its front faces Ban Lampu Canal. In the middle of the fort, there are 38 rooms for ammunition and weaponry.
Thais are very good with this kind of storytelling, especially with arts. I love this. So we just found out that bridge is called the Rama 8 bridge. If we have time, we will try to go over there. Susan is excited, so she is just moving around. It's good to see her being motivated and that she is excited. You know what tree is this? Is this a cherry tree?
This is the tree that they say that Buddha was enlightened under, the kind of tree.
Oh.
But I don't know the name of it. Can
Really?
you see? Can you tell by the leaves?
Look at those
We
pigeons.
can't go inside there.
The pigeons are taking shelter.
No, they're getting out of the rain.
I was just telling to the camera, today you look a little bit fresh and motivated to come here because you're not even waiting for me, you know?
I'm always ahead of you. Like when we go somewhere, I really want to see it, so I don't wait for the camera. I'm like, I want to see it, I want to see it.
This tree have like lots of branches, but all the branches are crooked.
I'm like,
This is a fig tree actually, you know. We have plenty in the village, but not as big as this. These are drinking waters. Can you open the tap? Yep.
you want to drink, babe? Come here. It's more like, do you want to shower? Phra Sumen Fort was built in 1783. I believe it was 1782 that Bangkok became the new capital after Ayutthaya. 14 of these were built along the city wall, along the canal, which is over there. And 2 of them still stand today.
Nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said take me to. We can take it slow, make sure we do.
We are done
this
with
right.
this park, so we will walk to the palace. So just to keep in mind, this is not the Grand Palace, but it's one of the old palace. It's a free entry, and also by the way, this park is also free entry, so feel free to come anytime. The color looks pretty, so beautiful. So he was about to move, but I stopped him. Okay, ไม่เอาครับ fresh sweet corn. Kapun nakap. This is อันนี้อะไรนะครับ
มันครับมัน
อ๋อเหมือนกัน
มัน
มัน
กับเกลือ
What is มัน
sweet potato
Oh, sweet potato. Okay, ขอบคุณครับ So this is how they burn with the fire. Cool, huh? Look at this snail. It's raining, so time to get out.
Here, let me put my hand next to it so you can see how big it is. Wow.
So hot.
No butter and no salt, just totally plain.
I love this way, you know.
Is it too hot? Yeah. The steam?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, now I can see it.
So it's still so hot, but so good. Susan, you want to try?
No.
Just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go. Come closer next to me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious.
When I looked on Google Maps yesterday of places we could go, I saw that this palace was close to the fort. So we just walked here from the fort, and of course it's closed. And there was a lady who spoke English, and she said they're closed because of COVID. So that's a bummer. They wouldn't even let us go and take a picture. So this palace was built by King Rama V, Chulalongkorn. He built it for his son when his son was studying in Germany.
Since we cannot go inside the palace, we'll go a little bit further and then go to the bridge. It's the Rama 8 bridge. This is Songkran season, so I think there's some beauty pageant happening here.
ก็บอกว่าน่ารักสมวัยมากๆกับทุกรางวัลเลยนะครับ
So right now we are underneath the Rama 8 bridge. It's massive, huge. So we'll go up and we'll see.
All of the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go. Come closer next to me, trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be.
Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thanks for joining with us. I know it's not really spectacular, but it's kind of adventurous for both of us. So
Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be showing you more of Bangkok soon.
don't forget to subscribe and like this video, okay?
Happy Songkran!
More videos coming up this week.
We were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me. Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think